Hello everyone and welcome to the Stimulsoft YouTube channel. For the best viewing experience, make sure to set the video quality to 720 or higher. Today I will show you how to embed a report viewer in a React application. You can open an existing project, but in this video I will create a new React application. Create a new project using the create React app command with npx. Go to the project folder and install the Stimulsoft Reports.js React package. Add a new component, for example, MyViewer, using the roughs snippet. Import viewer from the Stimulsoft package. Create a new instance of the StiReport class. Place the viewer component inside MyViewer and pass the report object to the viewer using the report property. In the app.js file, add the MyViewer component. Run the project. The report viewer will now be embedded in the React application. As you can see, the report viewer starts without a report or report. Stop the project. Add a report template to the project, for example, an invoice. To do this, create a report folder in the public directory. Copy the template to this folder using the command line. Open the component file. Load the template into the report object using the load file method. Run the project. Reload the page in the browser. Now the invoice will be loaded into the report viewer. By default, the viewer uses the white blue theme and displays all controls. Define a viewer options property in the component. Create a new instance of the StiViewer options class. Set the theme to black teal. Pass the viewer options to the viewer component using the options property. Save the changes. Go to the browser. Now the viewer uses the black teal theme. You can disable buttons on the toolbar, for example, the Save and Open buttons. You can also disable specific commands, for example, the Export to PDF command in the Save menu. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like our video and subscribe for more tutorials. Bye!